In recent years, gardeners have discovered the astonishing benefits of turmeric in enhancing plant health and growth. Turmeric, a golden spice commonly used in culinary dishes and traditional medicine, possesses remarkable properties that can work wonders in the garden. This article explores 6 incredible miracles of turmeric powder for plants, uncovering its role in soil enrichment, pest control, disease prevention, and more. By harnessing the power of this natural substance, you can take your gardening efforts to new heights while embracing sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Soil enrichment. One of the most outstanding miracles of turmeric powder lies in its ability to enrich the soil. The rich composition of nutrients found in turmeric, including potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, can enhance soil fertility, ensuring the optimal growth of your plants. By incorporating turmeric powder into your garden beds or compost, you provide essential minerals to the soil, promoting root development and overall plant vigor. Moreover, turmeric acts as a natural soil conditioner, improving its structure and water-holding capacity, while also stimulating beneficial microbial activity. Natural pest control. Gardeners often face the challenge of warding off pests that can wreak havoc on their beloved plants. Turmeric powder comes to the rescue with its natural pest control properties. The compound curcumin found in turmeric acts as a potent insect repellent, deterring a wide range of garden pests, including aphids, mealybugs, and ants. Simply sprinkle turmeric powder around your plants or create a homemade insecticidal spray by mixing it with water and a few drops of liquid soap. This organic alternative not only keeps your plants safe from harmful chemicals, but also provides an aromatic barrier that pests find unappealing. Disease prevention. Another miraculous aspect of turmeric powder for plants is its ability to prevent various diseases. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, possesses strong antifungal and antibacterial properties that can combat harmful pathogens in the garden. By applying turmeric powder as a preventive measure, you create a protective shield around your plants, reducing the risk of fungal infections, root rot, and bacterial diseases. Additionally, turmeric stimulates the plant's natural defense mechanisms, boosting its immune system and overall resilience. Root growth stimulator. Robust and healthy root systems are essential for plant growth and nutrient absorption. Turmeric powder acts as a natural root growth stimulator, aiding in the development of strong and extensive root networks. The presence of curcumin in turmeric triggers the release of plant growth hormones, encouraging the growth of lateral roots and enhancing nutrient uptake. Applying turmeric powder around the base of young plants or during transplanting can promote faster establishment and improve overall plant health. Accelerated germination. Turmeric powder has shown its miraculous effects in accelerating the germination process of seeds. Soaking seeds in a turmeric powder solution before sowing can enhance their vitality and increase the germination rate. Turmeric's natural compounds facilitate the breaking of seed dormancy and stimulate enzymatic activity, leading to quicker and more uniform seed sprouting. This technique is particularly beneficial for slow germinating seeds or those from plants that naturally exhibit low germination rates. Organic weed control. Conventional weed control methods often involve the use of harmful herbicides that can harm the environment and pose risks to human health. Turmeric powder offers a safe and organic solution for weed management. Applying turmeric powder on weed-prone areas or directly on unwanted plants can inhibit their growth by disrupting their cellular processes. This natural weed control method not only suppresses weed growth, but also provides additional benefits to the soil and surrounding plants. Conclusion. The miracles of turmeric powder for plants are indeed astonishing. From enriching the soil and acting as a natural pest control agent to preventing diseases, stimulating root growth, accelerating germination, and offering organic weed control, turmeric has proven to be a versatile and valuable asset in the garden. By harnessing the power of this golden spice, gardeners can embrace sustainable practices, nurture healthier plants, and create thriving, vibrant gardens. Explore the incredible benefits of turmeric powder and unlock the full potential of your gardening endeavors.